A little restaurant in Dubai has been causing a big stir. Trèsind Studio is a 20-seat atelier hidden inside its mother restaurant, Trèsind at the Bocco Hotel, serving Indian tasting menus of up to 15 courses.
I've come to meet executive chef Himanshu Saini to try one of his favourite signature dishes. Chef Himanshu, it is fabulous to be here. What are you going to cook for me today?
It's called khichuri. It's just a humble bowl of rice and lentils, but there's a great story behind this dish because it's one of those dishes which is prepared in every part of our country, but every household and every region, they makes this dish with their own set of ingredients. We've used the yellow split pigeon peas and the red lentils along with rice. We soak it for 30 minutes and then we just boil it. After boiling the rice and lentils, we just keep it aside because we're first going to prepare the tempering for the khichuri.
Khichuri, also known as khichuri, is tempered with mixed spices or masala, pan-roasted in ghee, the clarified butter commonly used in Indian cooking. Chef Himanshu adds cumin seeds, ginger, garlic, chilli powder, coriander powder and turmeric with some tomato and onion at the end.
So we let it simmer.
How long do we simmer it for from this point?
Say about 10 minutes. Put a bit of butter. Then I put a bit of lemon juice, lots of fresh coriander. Yeah. And then we add a bit of cream to it. So now we just add a spoonful of the khichuri in the bowl. And this is the map of India, which we have made it so beautifully. And we've chalked out different colorful ingredients. All of them have a role to play in my recipes because with every bite you would taste that area where this ingredient comes from. We've got some saffron, which is from Jammu, which is from where you get the best saffron in the world. Yeah. And then we've got some green apples from Himachal Pradesh. It's going to add some nice acidity in the dish. Then we've got this papaya chutney from Gujarat. Yeah. We've got this garlic chutney from Maharashtra, a bit of it. Then we've got some black pepper from Kerala. And this is Madras gunpowder. It's a combination of rice and lentil with a bit of spices in it. And it's from Tamil Nadu, Chennai.
So if I was making this at home, I could add any condiments that I wanted?
Any condiment, and every time you can try different things around it. It will all work for sure, I know.
In total, Chef Himanshu adds 20 condiments hailing from all over India.
So this is the final dish?
Yeah, this is how it looks like. It's so colorful.
And you don't mix it all together, you just taste the
whichever
separate.
way, probably with one or two ingredients you can taste it individually, and then for last few bites, just mix it all together, no?
Oh, that's so tasty.
Yeah.
The ginger is really fresh. It's nice to have fresh herbs, to have the fresh condiments on top. It really makes it a much more lively dish.
Yeah.
It's like having 10 different dishes in one dish because you get to taste individual condiments that you have on top.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for showing me the journey of khichuri. What an amazing dish. And I definitely think it's worth the journey to Trèsind Studio to try it for yourselves.